T is for tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. G is for giraffe. Say it with me. Giraffe. O is for octopus. Say it with me. Octopus. A is for anteater. Say it with me. Anteater. B is for bee. Say it with me. Bee. I is for indica. Say it with me. Indica. D is for dolphin. Say it with me. Dolphin. L is for lion. Say it with me. Lion. T is for toucan. Say it with me. Toucan. B is for bear. Say it with me. Bear. L is for lemur. Say it with me. Lemur. P is for pig. Say it with me. Pig. R is for ram. Say it with me. Ram. E is for elephant. Say it with me. Elephant. W is for white tiger. Say it with me. White tiger. Thanks for learning with me.